Okay, this is session 7 for Pickle. She's had a couple days off because life got busy and it's been a little warm. So anyway, we're going to get back at it today, and I'm going to send her to go pick these goats up. They were all laying down, but I think they did get up. But I think she's going to struggle with that because they're kind of packed into that corner there, so I will just be ready to help her. And we're going to move them down into this pen to work. Ah oui. And look at that, she proved me wrong. There. Steady. Down. A lot of this work seems kind of repetitive at this point, and it is. I'm just testing that she will listen, and it takes a lot of repetition for a dog to truly know those flanks. And so that's the stage we're at. Just testing all those things, trying to make sure she's gonna listen. If somebody decides to take her for herding purposes, come by, down. And I'm trying very hard not to use physical pressure, at least not at first. I'm giving her a chance to try and do this right before I have to help her. Come by. Steady. Come. Nope, down. Down. Come by. No, down. Come by. Down. Okay, that's twice, so I'm going to help her. She's already leaning that way though, so come by. Hey! She's really tight here, so that's why I corrected her. Come by. Come by here. Come by. Come by. Come. Stop. Come by. Stop. Stop. Ah oui. Stop. Ah oui. Ah oui. Here. Ah oui. Hey. Ah oui. Hey you. That's a sin there, cutting across like that. That is something in my book they absolutely should not do. That was really nice. Good dog. There. Steady up now. She didn't steady. Come. Come by. Come by. Come by. Come by. She's looking at me a little bit too much. There. That's causing her to fade in a little bit. Steady. Nice straight line. Good. That's progress there. Stop.